With your connection to agriculture, I'm Joanna Guza. World Agricultural Outlook Board Chair Mark Jekanowski explains how strong soybean exports from Brazil is impacting U.S. bean trade in the global market, and in turn, February's domestic soybean balance sheet.
It's worth talking about global soybean trade, and the story there is really strong exports out of Brazil. During the October to January period, we saw record exports from Brazil, and that has weighed on U.S. soybean export prospects. So our exports pace has been below what we would normally expect. So as a result, this month we reduced our U.S. soybean export forecast by 35 million bushels, now at just over 1.7 billion bushels. Year over year, soybean exports, we're looking at a decline of about 272 million bushels. Lower exports in our domestic balance sheet just mean a little bit higher ending stocks. So ending stocks raised by the same amount, 35 million bushels, and we reduced our season average price forecast by 10 cents per bushel down to $12.65 per bushel. And that would be down a little bit more than $1.50 year over year.
Transitioning now to livestock, USDA Chief Economist Seth Meyer offers his take from the February U.S. meat production and price estimates issued by USDA.
On the livestock side, the changes for 2024 aren't significant when it comes to things like production and some notable increases in prices for steers and hogs. Overall production changes for 2024 pretty modest. And part of that modest change, despite what I think was a consequential January cattle report, is a lot of that was about retention and things which will happen beyond 2024. So while I think there were some recent consequential reports for cattle, which says basically we haven't turned that cycle yet, that's beyond what we're currently covering in the WASI report at this moment.
And that's your connection to agriculture. Thanks for listening. I'm Joanna Guza.